So today's topic is Shah targets Uddhav over ideology, says real Sena belongs to Shinde. Shorthand dictation start in 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Start. Reiterating his claim that Uddhav Thackeray's Shiv Sena faction was not the real Shiv Sena. Union Home Minister Amit Shah on Friday dared the former Maharashtra Chief Minister to take Hindutva ideology V.D. Savarkar's name in his speeches. Addressing a rally in Ratnagiri, Sindhudurg, while campaigning for BJP leader and his cabinet colleague, Union Minister Narayan Rane, the ruling Mayahuri candidate for the Lok Sabha seat. Mr. Shah said the real Shiv Sena belonged to the current Chief Minister Eknath Shinde. Mr. Rane is pitted against incumbent MP Vinayak Raut of the Thackeray's Sena. Ratnagiri Sindhudurg goes to polls in third phase on May 7th, accusing Mr. Thackeray of completely abandoning his father's ideals when he joined hands with the Congress and Sharad Pawar's nationalist Congress party to form the Maha Vikas Aghadi coalition. Mr. Shah said, if you are feeling embarrassed to take Veer Savarkar's name in your address, why are you running this Nautanki? Shiv Sena, you may be his son, but you cannot claim his Bala Sahib's legacy, which lies with Eknath Shinde. Former Shiv Sena leader and present Maharashtra Nirman Sena chief Raj Thackeray and Narayan Rane, remarking that the Congress vote bank had now become the Shiv Sena vote bank. The Home Minister said Mr. Thackeray must clear the air before the public on whether he supported Triple Talaq, Muslim Personal Law Board and Article 370. Narayan Rane landed. Mr. Shah lauded Mr. Rane as a leader who stood up to the alleged harassment of Mr. Thackeray, especially when the latter was CM of Maharashtra. Narayan Rane had fought long against Uddhav Thackeray's bullying. He said, once known as the strongman of the Konkan belt, Mr. Rane, who had exited the undivided Shiv Sena in 2005 after his bitter fallout with Mr. Thackeray, had later joined the Congress. He subsequently quit the Congress in 2017 and joined the BJP. Later at the rally in Singli in support of BJP candidate Sanjay Kaka Patil, Mr. Shah again took aim at Mr. Thackeray, remarking that the latter must clearly state whether the Popular Front of India ought to be banned and whether the Citizenship Amendment Act ought to be implemented. But he, Thackeray, will not comment on such matters because of his new vote bank. Taking a jibe at the opposition India bloc, the BJP leader dubbed them an Aurangzeb fan club. Shorthand over.